Torrential slide value sort of equivalent to $18.9000 a coin in an unpretentious manner. The present exchange cost range, 18.14 to 18.9900 in an exceptionally significant way. The earlier day close, 18.2600 in a kind of significant way. The change truly was plus 0.6400, plus 3.50%. Backwards rate, USD to AVAX, which all things considered, is genuinely critical. Torrential slide value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future in month, which generally is genuinely critical. Torrential slide cost expectation on Friday, April 14, cost $18.37, sort of greatest 19.66, in every way that really matters, least 17.08, which basically is very critical. Torrential slide figure on Monday, April 17, cost $18.59, genuinely most extreme 19.89, least 17.29, which especially is genuinely huge. Torrential slide cost expectation on Tuesday, April 18, cost $18.99, exceptionally greatest 20.32, especially least 17.66. So torrential slide cost forecast on Tuesday, April 18, cost $18.99, most extreme 20.32, exceptionally least 17.66, which truly is genuinely huge. Torrential slide conjecture on Wednesday, April 19, cost $19.09, in every way that really matters, greatest 20.43, least 17.75, or so they in a real sense thought. In multi-week torrential slide cost expectation on Thursday, April 20, cost $18.93, greatest 20.26, extremely least 17.60, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. Torrential slide estimate on Friday, April 21, cost $18.54, certainly greatest 19.84, lovely least 17.24, which especially shows that torrential slide figure on Wednesday, April 19, cost $19.09, most extreme 20.43, essentially least 17.75, or so they in a real sense thought. Torrential slide cost forecast on Monday, April 24, cost $18.52, most certainly greatest 19.82, essentially least 17.22, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. Torrential slide gauge on Tuesday, April 25, cost $18.90, by and large greatest 20.22, kind of least 17.58, exhibiting that today, exchange cost range, 18.14 to 18.9900 in a quite enormous way. Torrential slide cost expectation on Wednesday, April 26, cost $19.32, beautiful greatest 20.67, kind of least 17.97 in a very significant manner. In about 14 days torrential slide figure on Thursday, April 27, cost $19.32, genuinely greatest 20.67, really least 17.97. Torrential slide cost expectation on Friday, April 28, cost $18.74, genuinely most extreme 20.05, exceptionally least 17.43, showing how torrential slide gauge on Wednesday, April 19, cost $19.09, truly greatest 20.43, extremely least 17.75 in a quite enormous way. Torrential slide conjecture on Monday, May 1, cost $18.84, kind of most extreme 20.16, least 17.52, exceptionally as opposed to prevalent thinking. Torrential slide cost expectation on Tuesday, May 2, cost $19.35, most extreme 20.70, sort of least 18.00, or so they in every practical sense thought. Torrential slide estimate on Wednesday, May 3, cost $19.26, especially most extreme 20.61, sort of least 17.91, showing how torrential slide cost forecast on Tuesday, April 18, cost $18.99, fundamentally greatest 20.32, genuinely least 17.66, so torrential slide cost expectation on Tuesday, April 18, cost $18.99, truly most extreme 20.32, genuinely least 17.66, or so they truly thought. In 3 weeks torrential slide cost forecast on Thursday, May 4, cost $19.95, fundamentally most extreme 21.35, certainly least 18.55, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Torrential slide figure on Friday, May 5, cost $20.24, extremely greatest 21.66, genuinely least 18.82, which sort of is genuinely critical. Torrential slide cost expectation on Monday, May 8, cost $19.48, fundamentally most extreme 20.84, truly least 18.12, showing that torrential slide cost forecast on Monday, April 24, cost $18.52. In every practical sense, greatest 19.82, especially least 17.22, which truly is very huge. Torrential slide gauge on Tuesday, May 9, cost $19.72, genuinely greatest 21.10, essentially least 18.34 in a sort of significant manner. Torrential slide cost expectation on Wednesday, May 10, cost $19.66, sort of greatest 21.04, most certainly least 18.28, showing that torrential slide conjecture on Monday, April 17, cost $18.59, kind of most extreme 19.89, truly least 17.29 in an exceptionally enormous way. In about a month, torrential slide gauge on Thursday, May 11, cost $18.97, essentially greatest 20.30, truly least 17.64, showing how torrential slide cost forecast on Friday, April 14, cost $18.37, fundamentally most extreme 19.66, least 17.08, torrential slide cost forecast on Friday, May 12, cost $19.89, beautiful most extreme 21.28, certainly least 18.50 amazingly. Torrential slide conjecture on Monday, May 15, cost $19.08, extremely greatest 20.42, least 17.74 in an exceptionally significant way. USD to AVAX swapping scale especially equivalent to 0.0529 coins per $1, which generally is very huge. Today, S reach 0.0527 minus 0.0551, which basically is genuinely critical. The past day, S nearby 0.0548, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. Change for now 0.0019. 3.47%, which for the most part is very huge. USD to AVAX cost conjecture for, in the not-so-distant future and month in a for the most part significant manner. Dollar to torrential slide figure on Friday, April 14, cost 0.054 coins, extremely greatest 0.059, especially least 0.051, in opposition to mainstream thinking. USD to AVAX expectation on Monday, April 17, cost 0.054 coins, most certainly greatest 0.058, exceptionally least 0.050, exhibiting how torrential slide cost expectation on Friday, April 28, cost $18.74, genuinely greatest 20.05, kind of least 17.43, showing how torrential slide estimate on Wednesday, April 19, cost $19.09, really most extreme 20.43, especially least 17.75, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. Dollar to torrential slide estimate on Tuesday, April 18, cost 0.053 coins, truly most extreme 0.057, truly least 0.049, which explicitly shows that today, S exchange cost range 18.14 to 18.9900 in an unpretentious way. USD to AVAX